loves, in today's Amazon eyeshadow palette review, I am creating this red and pink glitter eye makeup using the Delancey Apple palette and the Mango Holographic glitters. The Delancey Apple eyeshadow palette is $10. It has 12 colors separated into pinks, reds, and berry shades. There are 5 shimmers and 7 mattes. This is the Mango Red Holographic 4 glitter set, and it is $9. The glitter is a mixture of ultra fine and 1mm hexagon glitters. $2.37 is a hot pink. $2.10 is a bright orange red. $2.22 is a true deep red. And $81 is a red, silver, and pink mix. I am starting off this makeup look by blending this baby pink shade directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye with the Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease brush. With my Nicka round eyeshadow brush, I am now placing this bright red on the outer and inner thirds of my lid. In the center of my lid, as a base for my glitter, I am applying this shimmery light pink using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 9. I am using my Lormay silicone applicator to gently press the glitter 81 onto the center of my lid. This glitter is so pretty. I love the mixture of the hexagons into the ultra fine glitter. It is such a nice contrast. For my brow bone highlight, I am applying the LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright using the Energy 124. I created my winged liner with the LA Colors eye marker. Then I followed up with the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. And lastly, I applied the Ioni 3-strand Wispy medium full individual lashes. I am blending this deep pinkish red along my lower lash line with the Energy 111. And on my waterline, I am using the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Best O. To complete my makeup look, I am highlighting my inner corner with the LA Colors Iced Pigment Powder in Glitzy using the Coastal Scents Detail Pointed brush. I love everything about this makeup look. Red is one of my favorite colors, so is pink. That's why I was drawn to this palette in the first place, and the color selection is beautiful. The pigmentation of these shadows is amazing, and the buttery soft texture of not only the mattes but the shimmers is amazing. The Delancey Apple eyeshadow palette is definitely a 10 out of 10. I also really like the mango glitter that I used in this look. I like how the mixture of ultrafine and hexagonal shapes gives a nice dimension to the blend. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you think of this makeup look, and until next time, bye loves!